How often do you have to lift to build muscle? 3 days a week? 6? Should I be lifting weights right now while I'm talking? Hey, I'm Hyson, editor-in-chief of Onnit, and I'm going to try and answer one of the most frequently asked questions in fitness. How often should you lift to build muscle? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Most people fall into one of two camps. They either don't like training that much and they go to the gym 2 to 3 days a week just to do the minimum, or they love to lift and they go 4, 5, 6, maybe even 7 days straight. In either case, the first thing both kinds of people need to know is that both approaches can work, but more is not always better. When we look at the muscle research, the answer to the question of frequency is volume. So what you should be asking yourself is how much work do you want to do in each workout and how much can you recover from? The majority of research on training teaches us a few things. 1. A muscle needs at least 48 hours rest before it can be worked again. So if you train chest on Monday afternoon, you probably shouldn't do any more sets for the pecs before Wednesday afternoon at the earliest, if building muscle is your main goal. The more sets you do, the more time you'll need to recover. 2. The maximum amount of volume for a muscle group in a single workout seems to be about 10 sets, and many people can grow from a lot fewer than that. Furthermore, 10 sets per week or slightly more appears to be enough volume to stimulate gains. 3. The frequency of your training is really just a way to manage the total amount of volume you do. So what does all this mean in real life? Basically, if building muscle is your goal, you should aim for around 10 sets for each muscle group per week. But the way you divide that number up is entirely up to you. You could do all 10 sets in one workout, you could do 5 sets in 2 different workouts, or 3 sets across 3 different workouts, or any number of other variables. Most coaches will tell you that the people who want to be as efficient as possible and minimize their time in the gym should train their whole body in one session 2 or 3 times per week. For example, Monday and Friday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. With this kind of program, you go in and do 1 or 2 exercises for each major muscle group and maybe 2 to 3 sets for each. This will certainly give the regular Joe who just wants the minimum effective dose enough work to see results. And it's a good guideline for more serious advanced lifters as well who like to go full body workouts. Sometimes you don't feel focused and alert in the gym and your workout can suffer as a result. New Alpha Brain pre-workout was designed specifically for athletes and gym goers and supports focus, power, and endurance. It's the ultimate way to charge up your mind and body. Use the coupon code GETONIT to get 10% off Alpha Brain pre-workout at onnit.com. Now back to the video. For those who love to train and really want to develop each muscle to its potential, you can do an upper-lower split or even a body part split where you train each muscle twice in a 4 to 7 day period. For example, you could do legs on Monday, a push workout for the chest, shoulders, and triceps Tuesday, take Wednesday off, then a pull workout for the back and biceps on Thursday, and repeat the cycle starting with legs again on Friday. Another example, you could train legs on Monday, chest and shoulders Tuesday, take Wednesday off, train back on Thursday, train arms Friday, take Saturday off, and start the cycle with legs again on Sunday. In these cases, you do 3 to 6 sets per body part in each workout, totaling between 6 and 12 sets in a 7-day period. The majority of the research does not show any advantage to higher training frequencies when volume is equated. That means that if you do 5 sets for chest 2 days per week, you should make the same gains as you would doing 2 sets 5 times per week or 10 sets in 1 day per week. The total amount of work is 10 sets either way, so the stimulus is roughly the same. So you can tell your buddies who bench press every day that they're not going to get a bigger chest than if they had just benched once or twice in a week. What do I do? What's my training frequency? I'm so glad you asked. I'm currently following a legs, push, pull, and arm split where I do only 4 sets for a body part in each session, totaling about 8 sets per week. If this all seems confusing, just remember this. Progressive overload is the most important factor in the process of gaining muscle. If you can add reps and/or weight to most of your exercises each time you repeat a workout, i.e. you're getting stronger, you're getting enough volume and frequency to see gains. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And for an in-depth article on training frequency, please click the link in the description.